Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to explain how to download Facebook Reels video without any app to install first. So, please watch this video until it finished. Then, you can try to download any Reels on Facebook for free without any app. Okay, first step. Of course open your Facebook app. Then, go to Reels section. Second step. You need to find the Reels video that you want to download. For the example, I will download this Reels. After that, open the Reels, you may pause the video then click on the three dots icon here. Choose Copy Link. After you copy Reels video link that you want to download, just close your Facebook app and open your browser. At your browser app, please type this website snapsave.app. This is the free website that you can use to download any videos from Facebook. You just need to put the video link in this box and click download. The last step, you may choose any resolution that you want and click download. Just wait a few seconds, the video will be on your gallery. Thanks for watching this video. If it's helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.